Well, thanks for joining us here in London in the Top Med Talk studios. Now, I know you're very familiar, those of you who are regular listeners to Top Med Talk, many thousands of listeners around the world. We're here at the moment because we're filming for EBPOM London 2020, which is going to be brought to you live from these studios. So we're very lucky to have this fantastic facility, usually, as you can see, for radio broadcasting and podcasting. But outside here, I don't know if you can get a sense of it at all, you can swing around at all and give them a little peek. We've set up various different studios to bring EBPOM London 2020 live to you from West London. So please do get onto our website, follow along, look at all the different instructions that are there. The long form pre-recorded lectures, many of them in the can already, will start to go out in the next few days, and then we will go live from here in London on June the 30th, and we will run continuously for 72 hours, finishing with our fantastic Palooza on the third day. So please, if you haven't registered already, do register. Please do join us. Thank you.